I am the smallest person in this room.
I know the answer.
Puppy.
I know the answer.
Puppy.
I know the answer.
Okay.
Yo hasta mamá le dice con el cómleche.
Hey,
I know the
listen, I forgot to give you the instructions. Raise your hands up first. And I saw
did.
Uncle Meng's first, actually. He raised
Wait,
his hand was
that's
first.
cheating. I raised my
So,
hand.
Кто первый поднимет руку, тот
okay,
отвечает.
how about this? Lily would, Alana would choose.
Okay, Lucas, have a seat.
Okay, raise your hand.
Answer
If you know the
me.
answer, pick me.
Lucas, have a
And you
seat.
choose somebody,
Who can answer this question?
and then choose somebody to give the answer, okay?
Pick me, Lana.
Pick somebody, Lana.
Lana,
Who
pick
do you
me.
want? Pick someone.
Come on, pick me. I'm
Okay.
Kashia? Okay, Kashia?
Oh.
Do you know? Wait, no.
What's the
here's
secret
answer.
password,
What's
Kashia?
the answer? Who's the smallest person?
Lily?
Oh, I thought I was.
The question is, I am the smallest person in this room. Who am I? Is it Lily? The answer is Lily. Is Lily the smallest person? Okay.
Way to go, Kashia.
Okay,
Good
so
job,
Lana.
high five. Lana, come here.